Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the Easy English Guide. I'm so happy you're here today. Thank you for choosing to spend a few minutes with me. Imagine this. You are on a busy city street. You are late. Your phone battery is dying. People are walking past and you need to ask for directions. But your words just won't come out. You know English, but right now it feels stressful. Your heart is beating fast, your mind is racing. All you want is to speak clearly. Don't worry. This video is made for moments like this. We will shadow sentences together, slowly and naturally. You will speak with confidence and feel the rhythm of real English. Here is how it works. Each sentence is repeated twice. First, listen carefully. Then, shadow after me. Take your time, copy the rhythm, stress, and pronunciation. Let your words flow like in a real conversation. It is okay to make mistakes. Do not rush. Feel the words and let your mouth follow your brain. By the end of this video, you will speak more naturally. You will sound like a native speaker. Are you ready for today's practice? Take a deep breath. Let's begin together. Sorry, can I stop you for a second? Sorry, can I stop you for a second? My phone just died and I'm totally lost. My phone just died and I'm totally lost. Do you know where Grand Central is? Do you know where Grand Central is? I think it's somewhere near here, maybe. I think it's somewhere near here, maybe. Actually, I'm not even sure which direction that is. Actually, I'm not even sure which direction that is. Could you just point me the right way? Could you just point me the right way? Wait, sorry, left from here or right? Wait, sorry, left from here or right? Okay, so I keep going straight down this road. Okay, so I keep going straight down this road. And the station is at the end, yes? And the station is at the end, yes? Sorry, how many blocks did you say exactly? Sorry, how many blocks did you say exactly? Three blocks? That sounds close. Okay. 3 blocks? That sounds close. Okay. I passed a coffee shop back there. I passed a coffee shop back there. Should I have turned before that corner? Should I have turned before that corner? Right, so I went the wrong way then. Right, so I went the wrong way then. I need to go back and turn left. I need to go back and turn left. Okay, wait. Left at the traffic lights, right? Okay, wait. Left at the traffic lights, right? Not the first lights, the second ones. Got it. Not the first lights, the second one's got it. God, I'm gonna be so late. God, I'm gonna be so late. Sorry, one more thing. Is it far from here? Sorry, one more thing. Is it far from here? Like another 10 minutes walking from the lights? Like another 10 minutes walking from the lights? There's no faster way, no shortcut or anything? There's no faster way, no shortcut or anything? What about through that park I see over there? What about through that park I see over there? Oh no, the park doesn't connect all the way. Oh no, the park doesn't connect all the way. Okay, so the main road is actually faster then. Okay, so the main road is actually faster then. Let me just repeat this back to make sure. Let me just repeat this back to make sure. Straight down here, left at the second lights. Straight down here, left at the second lights. Then I'll see a big glass building on the right. Then I'll see a big glass building on the right. And the station is right next to that building. And the station is right next to that building. Does that sound right? Am I missing anything? Does that sound right? Am I missing anything? Okay. Yes, I think I've got it now. Okay. Yes, I think I've got it now. You said about 15 minutes total from here. You said about 15 minutes total from here. That's fine. I can walk fast enough, hopefully. That's fine. I can walk fast enough, hopefully. Wait, sorry. One last thing. Is it underground? Wait, sorry. One last thing. Is it underground? Or do I enter from the street level? Or do I enter from the street level? Okay, the main entrance is on the street. Perfect. Okay, the main entrance is on the street. Perfect. Right, I think I can find it from here. Right, I think I can find it from here. Thank you so much. Seriously, you really helped. Thank you so much. Seriously, you really helped. I would have been going the wrong way for a long time. I would have been going the wrong way for a long time. Great job today. You did an amazing job of shadowing. Remember, practice makes you better every day. Don't worry about mistakes, they help you learn. Keep your English strong by shadowing like this daily. You are speaking more naturally with each sentence. I'm proud of you. Keep going. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to practice English with me. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below how you felt during today's practice. And share this video with your friends who want to speak better English. See you in the next practice. Bye for now.